Welcome. In this session, we will take a look at Python's Boolean logic. In Python, we have Boolean logics like greater than sign, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. We have double equals to compare, and we have not equals to. So if we say if 2 is less than 3, we get to see that it returns us a true. If we say 2 equals to 3, it will compare 2 and 3 and it will return false because 2 is not equals to 3. If we say we have x equals to 2 and we have y equals to 3, we want to check if x is greater than y, it returns as false. We have other logical operators like true and false. So if there are multiple conditions, it can check the Boolean result of each of the conditions and return you the final result. For example, if I have one condition which is true and the other condition is also true, then we get true. If one condition is true and the other condition is false, we get false. If the first condition is false and the second condition is true, we get false. Similarly, if the first and second condition both are false, then we get false. We already have x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So if we check, say, for example, x is greater than 5 and we say y is less than 4. Now you see, given that x is equals to 2 and we are checking if x is greater than 5, the first condition is false. Given that y is equals to 3 and that we are checking y is less than 4, the second condition is true. So we have false and true, and when we run it, we get false because false and true results in false. Now say we have a condition x is less than 3 and y is less than 4. Given that x is equals to 2, because we are checking if x is less than 3, we get a true for the first condition. Similarly, because y is equals to 3 and we are checking if y is less than 4, the second condition also results in true. So true and true results into true. So when we run this, we get true as a result. Now let us take a look at Python's conditional statement with if else. So the signature of the if statement looks like this. If you have a condition followed by a colon, then you have some expression to execute, which means I have age defined as 20, and if we say if age is less than 25, you can print, say, age is less than 25. And when we run this, we see that the condition age is less than 25 is true, so it executes the expression. we can have an else statement associated with it. For example, if I say if age is greater than 25, print age is greater than 25, and we say else, print age is lesser than 25. Note that there is an indentation here after the conditional statements, and your if statement and your else statement should be at the same indentation. So because we have age as 20 and the first condition is not met, it will go to the else statement and print the expression that comes under the else statement, and it says age is lesser than 25. If we have, say, age is equals to 43, and we say if age divided by 2 gives us a 0 remainder, then we say age is divisible by 2. Now we say else, we say print age is not divisible by 2. When we run this, we see that age is not divisible by 2 because if we have age as 43 and divided by 2, we do not get a remainder as 0. If we have to check multiple if conditions, we have else if. Say if age is divisible by 2, we say if age modulus 2 is 0, we say print age is divisible by 2. Now we say else if age modulus 3 equals to 0, we say print age is divisible by 3. Else we print age is neither divisible by 2 nor by 3. And we see that the third condition is met. So the condition in the first if statement, age modulus 2 is equals to 0. So we see that the third condition is met if age modulus 2 is equals to 0, which means there is no remainder and age is divisible by 2. Whereas age modulus 3 is also 0, then age is divisible by 3. And these two conditions are not met because age is 43. So it goes into the else statement and prints the expression under the else condition. Thank you. Happy learning.